Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into your phone. Now, to get started, you will need this little thing I have right over here. So this is a SIM eject tool, and it comes provided with the device in a box, usually somewhere between the paperwork. Now, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Not as elegant, but will do the job. So from there, once you have one of those, what you're gonna do is pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device. So right over here, as you can see, the pin is kind of holding in there. And once you push it in, let me just kind of show you, the tray will pop out. So from here, simply take it out all the way, and you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, or two different SIM cards. Now, if you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you won't be able to use an SD. And you'd place that SIM card on the SD tray, like so. But if you're going with one of each, like I am, then what you want to do is place it like this. There we go. Now make sure that you hold the SIM in place, because if I, for instance, flip it over, as you can see, whoop, oh, she didn't fall out, so that's nice. But the SIM card is barely holding in there. Now the SD card is holding way better. But anyway, once you have them inserted back into the device, as you can see, I am inserting it in. And from here, I should get a pin for the SIM card, which there it is. So I'm gonna confirm that. So obviously the SIM card is working, and I can already see the logo of the SD. So SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.